Well, Jacob's doing some s'mores. Jesse brought a hanger on a hike. Who brings a hanger on a hike? Huh?
Jesse. Might have to break into some windows or something, some cars.
Damn, Jacob, you like it burnt or what?
Yeah. Roasted.
That's a roasted ass one.
Damn.
You like that char? Turn it around, fool. It's burning on the other side, you dork. Oh my god.
You like it like that?
Yeah. Tastes better. The smoke.
Really? Man, that's
I'm gonna save my gum.
that's a really quick marshmallow.
Jesse's big old survival knife for that. I don't think he's used today. That's cool. It's cool out here, man. It's nice. We're all having a great time. We're actually getting tired and we're all gonna go snowboard on your asses and go to sleep.
Can you put the other one on? I can pull it. Really, all I have is like stuff.
Make a triple one. Here, put another one on top.